We are going to tell you 8 things you can get for free on a cruise. We've cruised almost 30 times now, and these things are not advertised by the cruise lines. So stick with us to find out more.
Ahoy there, cruisers! We're Cruise with Ben and David.
But first, this video is sponsored by Vision Cruise, multi-award winning cruise travel agents with over 30 years of experience in the UK, USA and Australia. The link to book is in the description section below.
So, number 1 is how to get free drinks. Well, most cruise lines hold certain events where free drinks are on offer. These include things like the captain's welcome and farewell parties, where drinks are free flowing. You usually find a selection of cocktails as well as some fizz such as Prosecco. Other things as well, like art auctions where there's unlimited Prosecco or champagne on offer, plus shops hold some special sales and events where there are free drinks available, and there is absolutely no need to buy anything, but don't have too many because you might be buying stuff by accident.
All cruise lines also have free water, tea, coffee and juice available in the buffet. And tap water is completely safe to drink too, but the taste might not be great though. We recommend you bring a refillable mug or bottle for water and coffee to avoid having to buy it. And we always take these off in port with us as well, so we don't need to waste extra money whilst in port.
Yeah, I've packed my favourite teas, so I can use the hot water, or even take in the cordial squashes as well.
Yeah, cordial squash is great, especially for the tap water as well if you don't like the taste, or make it taste more like soda.
So number 2 is all about food. On basically every single cruise line you can order as much as you want in the main dining room. So why not try 2 main courses or 3 desserts?
And that's not me.
That comes from experience.
It definitely does.
Well, just go right ahead and ask your waiter or waitress and they'll grab anything for you. You are free to order anything you want from the menu without any extra charge. Also, if you don't fancy anything on the menu, simply ask the server if there's anything else they can do. Most cruise lines will allow you to go off the menu and create something that appeals more to you. This is especially the case on luxury lines as well, where they'll really try to cater to your every need.
You can also usually get soft serve ice cream completely free, so avoid paying for those expensive gelato or ice cream shops. The soft service machine is usually found either in the buffet or on the Lido deck. Tip 3 is not to spend a penny whilst in port. We like to just walk into port and go to a nearby museum or a beach and just have a nice chill day. You don't need to spend any money at all. Cruise excursions can cost an absolute fortune, so if you're travelling on a budget, just do what you want in port. We like to take a look around, as we said, maybe visit a free art gallery or walk around a nice park and take some lovely pictures. There is no need at all to spend big money. And you can even return to the ship for lunch, then head out afterwards, so you don't have to buy anything in port. Do your research before, and you'll find plenty of free things to do and enjoy, won't there?
You will. We've seen free walking tours in ports, all sorts. So just if you do research, you can really fill a day without spending a penny.
Absolutely, and you can still have a fantastic time as well. So even if you are saving those pennies, you're still going to have such an amazing time whilst in port.
Tip number 4 is to take part in all the onboard activities, such as trivia, scavenger hunts and sports competitions, as the winners will usually be gifted something.
Ooh, I love a bit of trivia. You get proper competitive, don't you?
You
it's amazing.
I've never seen people sweat so much over a plastic pen.
I know, right?
This could be anything from a baseball cap, bag, magnet, keyring, or even a bottle of wine.
Nice.
It's totally free to take part, and it's always lots of fun, especially if you're competitive, like Ben. Some game shows also have great prizes too, so why not get involved? We've seen the Love and Marriage game show, the Newlywed game show, and The Voice at Sea, as well as MasterChef at Sea, and these comes with great prizes. So some shops on board will also run free raffles, where you could win a selection of goods, so take part in these too. Most ships hold shopping talks for future ports, and if you'll attend, you'll sometimes be given a voucher to use in the port for a free gift. It's definitely worth doing, and you can come away with loads of free goodies. Some ships also hold welcome talks, where by taking part, you could win a free bottle of wine or a free specialty meal in one of the extra pay restaurants, or even a free spa treatment.
Number 5 is free room service, even on the lines that charge for it. A sneaky tip is that usually continental breakfast is usually free. So if you want some nice fruit, pastries and coffee, order it with no charge. And it's a lovely way to start the day. Have it delivered to your room and enjoy it on the balcony. And if you do want something bigger later on, head to the main dining room or buffet for something more substantial.
Also known as second breakfast.
Absolutely. 11sies.
Next is a way to get some freebies during a special occasion like a birthday or an anniversary. We've had some lovely things for free, including wine and flowers, as well as lovely birthday cakes during dinner. They will always make a fuss about you and sing happy birthday to you too. Just make sure your waiter and the staff know it's a special occasion, or tell your travel agent when you're booking that you're going to be celebrating something on board.
Yeah, it's really lovely. We've had some cute little cakes and all of the waiters come around, and it's really embarrassing when they sing a song to you.
Yeah.
But it's great. They treat you like royalty, don't they, when they know it's a special occasion. It's really, really nice.
Yeah, they do. And cruise lines such as Princess Cruises even have the option for you to add a special occasion in your account area before you sail.
Absolutely. Tip number 7 is to cruise often. Oh, wouldn't that just be amazing? When you join cruise loyalty schemes, the higher you get, the more freebies you receive. Some cruise lines offer free mixers for guests that are part of a cruise line loyalty program, so make sure you attend those for some free drinks and nibbles. The more you cruise, the better the perks get. Things such as a free goodie bag, ship models, free laundry, canapes in your cabin, and free specialty dining perks. We've even seen free bridge tours and ship tours for the most elite of travellers. And it's a great excuse to book more cruises, isn't it, David?
It really is, yeah. Some of the perks when you get higher up are fantastic.
Really good.
I mean, the one with the free open bar for an hour on
Yeah,
Royal.
we've seen that a few times. MSC, you get free laundry, you get a free specialty meal.
Yeah, Princess free laundry. So yeah, that can really save you a lot of money. So finally, tip number 8 is if you have forgotten any amenities or medication such as seasickness tablets. These are usually available for free at the medical centre or at the guest relations desk. On some cruise lines, you can also grab things like toothpaste or antibacterial gel if you've forgotten it. It can be super expensive to buy these things in the port and on the cruise ship, so why not just ask and they maybe have them have some for you?
Absolutely. It's just like a hotel really, guys. And there's loads more. For example, free kids clubs. You can even enjoy some alone time away from the kids for free. Fitness classes, free treatment samples from the spa and more. Let us know if you have any tips or freebies that you've found in the comments section below. We'd love to hear it and include it in our next video.
And on our next cruise, I love a freebie.
Me too.
Just another quick mention from our sponsor, Vision Cruise. They have just won 2 FIFA awards in the UK and Australia for outstanding service. As an experienced family-run company for over 30 years, book your next cruise with Vision Cruise, as it really helps us and keeps this channel going. Information is in the description box below.
And please do consider subscribing to us. We have so much fab content on the way and we wouldn't want you to miss out. And our captain of the week is Raymond.
Ahoy!
That's it till next time.
Happy cruising!
So it's time for the joke of the week. So David, do you have time for a joke about the world's fastest cruise ship?
Yeah, I do have time for a joke about the world's fastest cruise ship.
Well, don't worry, it's just a quick one-liner. That's really funny.
These are getting worse.
I don't think they are getting worse. What do you think, guys?